Hello everyone, thank you for joining me here once again at Fluid Arts by Elsa. Thank you for joining me. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead, click the subscription button. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell. That way you're notified anytime I have new content. So I'm going to show you the dry results from my previous painting. From my previous video, my previous painting, and that was the turquoise. And I went ahead and I did a frame around or a border, and I have to tell you, it looks beautiful. I've done this quite a few times in the past, but I wanted to do it once again for this one. And boy, oh boy, did it change. So I'm gonna show you. I'm not gonna touch it because it's still wet. And look at this beauty. What do you guys think about this one? She is gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. And I know from the comments that the Flow Acrylic black and the white, especially the white, tends to eat up your paints. But I'm still using my black because I have a lot of bottles to go through. So I am going to use them, and then I'll change that base color. So tell me, what do you think about this one? Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. If you're interested in this piece, it is available for purchase. Visit me or email me at elsasgallery@gmail.com for any inquiries. So take a look at this beauty. So we're gonna go ahead and move along with this black base series that I have going on. And my next color is going to be purples. So black base, same colors of or different shades of purples on the top. And as always, we're going to be starting with the pearl paint from our Amsterdam. So if you notice, I've been doing that. It has always been a pearl because that's when the color shows against that black base, and they've been turning out gorgeous. So let's go ahead and get started. Without further ado, meet me down at the canvas. Okay, everyone, so we are working once again on a 14 by 14 inch canvas. I'm gonna go ahead, flood with my Flow Acrylic Black by Artist Loft, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, so our bubbles have been popped, and we are gonna go ahead and begin. So we are using Pearl Violet by Amsterdam. And again, like I mentioned, this color I use right against that black because that's when this color shows up. So again, we're gonna do our same design that we've been using. Okay. My next color is Winsor Violet by Winsor and Newton. Look how beautiful that color is. Gorgeous. I've been using my Winsor paints lately because I feel when you mix them with different brands, they create beautiful cells. So I've been mixing a couple of colors that I've had sitting on my shelf. Next color I have is Pearl Amethyst Purple by Arteza. Again, look how beautiful. And I'm loving the color palette already. I'm gonna drizzle this one like this. My next color is Pearl Royal Purple by Arteza. Now I'm using Pearl White by Amsterdam. So Pearl White. And last, Pearlized Violet by Master's Touch. So I'm going to shake this one a little bit. Love the color palette. We're going to go ahead, torch it out. And I see a lot of air bubbles coming up to the surface. And I don't know if the camera can capture it, but right here, when I torched it, you can see already cells developing, which is awesome to see. Okay, so we're going to go ahead, begin here down at the curve and work our way up. Wow, that is gorgeous right up here on the corner and right in here. Absolutely beautiful. I do want to work on this corner here. I just want to blow in here up to the top. Maybe I'm going to pull in with my... Okay, I'm happy with that now. I'm happy with that. I don't think I want to do anything else here because I'm really, really happy with the composition. Oh, here. I'm just going to bring that in right there. Okay, I'm going to torch it out a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead, clean my edges. I'll bring you guys in for a close-up. I will be right back. Okay, everyone, thank you for joining me. And look at this beauty. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm sorry about the glare from the overhead lights once again. But look as it has been developing here. Look at these cells. So I'm going to start in this corner. Check how beautiful that is. Look at that edge. Love it. Love the cells. Love this streak of colors. And I love the orientation and the blow. Look at that. Absolutely fabulous. I don't know which is my favorite at this point. Look how it branches out. Check out the cluster of cells there. Look at that. Look at that border. Love it. Absolutely gorgeous. And look at that top. Look at those cells. A little bit of lacing and webbing, not much, but I love how the black kind of breaks everything up. Absolutely beautiful. Tell me what you think. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, support me. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching Fluid Arts by Elsa. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.